day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table, I can say, legendary East German bass speakers RFT L2901, produced in the East Germany. The production started around the year 1974, maybe 1973. There are 200 millimeters bass speakers, frequency range from 45 hertz up to 2200 hertz. They were mounted originally in the also legendary Rema Andante speaker boxes. If I remember the type correctly, it was Rema Andante 830, 834, 840. Maybe. I would like to find some photo of these boxes, if I don't forget, and I put here photo of Rema Andante with these speakers. I must say I love the East German speakers. So let's try the sound. It's not correct testing because they are without box, without enclosure. So let's try the sound. So for me, pretty nice sound. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.